Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and if this is your very first time here, I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. In today's video, I am going to be closing out my last paycheck budget, the last paycheck that I did receive in September. This is something that I really want to get consistent with, closing out my budget to make sure that I came right on budget or under budget and hopefully not over budget. So if that is something that you are here for, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I have 3 pens here. I have some colorful pens which will basically let me know, how I came in each category. I am using the Budget by Paycheck budget book by the Budget Mom, if anyone has any questions about that. And let's go ahead and mosey on over to the last paycheck budget tracker that we did complete. That was for September the 30th, 2022. All right, so I do want to explain how my paycheck routine goes. I am paid bi-weekly. I'm able to see my paycheck on my pay week. So once I take a look at my paycheck, I then complete my budget on that Wednesday, and I'm able to know, once I complete my budget, I know where all of my money is gonna go. On Friday, I am paid. I pay all of my bills that's due unless it's on auto pay. If it's on auto pay, the money comes right out. I go to the bank, take out cash, I fill my cash envelopes, and I go throughout my week on my budget. I check my account as much as I can. I try to check it every single day, in the morning and at night, to make sure that all of my money is going where I said that it should go and where it should not go. And then also making sure that I am documenting my transactions, or making sure that I'm writing them down in my tracker. What is it called? I'm having expense tracker. I don't do that as often as I should, but it's something that I'm working on. And I complete a 1-week budget check-in just to make sure, like I said, everything is going where it should go and not where it shouldn't go. And then I close out the budget to see how I did for that particular pay period. I'm gonna start giving myself a grade to see how I did. And if you have been here from the beginning to the check-in, then you should be able to kind of know where I am going, how I'm gonna grade. So if you are watching right now, before we even get into this, go ahead and put in the comments how you think I scored. So, or how I grade. So if you think I was spot on, made no mistakes, I was right on target, and I should deserve an A, put that in the comments. If you think I should deserve a B, I did okay. Wasn't quite perfect, but I did all right. Go ahead and give me a B. If you think I scored a C, where you're just like, girl, you still trying to figure this thing out, go ahead and give me a C. A D and an F, like, girl, just stop. Like, I don't know. Let's really try this over again. If you think I totally failed, put that in the comments as well. I cannot wait to read these comments, you guys. This is gonna be so funny. So let's get started. All right. So as far as my bills account, I did come in at $14,12.59. So I came right in on target there. So $1,412.59. $1,412.59. So that was actually what our income for the bills account. Tithes, I did give my tithes. I did give my mortgage, My HOA, I did pay that. That was over. I had only budgeted $280 for it, but I had actually paid $285.95. So we are making great progress in our HOA. On the last video, I've talked about some of the progress that we've made with our past due bills. So if that's something that you want to check out, I'll definitely leave that video linked for you to check that out. Solar, we came right in on budget, $100, and we are no longer past due on our solar bill. We are at a zero balance. I'm super excited about that. Someone asked me a question about solar, and the question that you asked me, let me get to it. So someone asked me, are you happy with your solar plan company? You have paid it in full, no more monthly bill. How did you do that? All right, so let me explain how this works with my solar bill. I am not super educated about solar at all, so I do need to call. My solar panels are not paid off. When I bought the house, solar panels were on the house, and I think that's the reason why I have a bill, because my solar panels are not paid off. They did give me the option to pay the solar panels off, but I didn't see that as something that I wanted to do. I'm not sure how beneficial that would be. And if it is beneficial, I'm not gonna entertain that thought until like far down the line. And then let's see. So I think that's the reason why I have a monthly bill. Am I happy with it? No. So I hope that answers your question. I'm not happy with it, but I mean, there's nothing I can do. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. I just have to live with it. Internet cable, we came in a little bit over budget. I had only budgeted $70 for it, but it was actually $70.14. For trash, I budgeted correctly for that, $50, and we have made some good strides on that. My credit card, I had to pay $100 for that, and that was over budget because I didn't budget for it at all. Apple Card, I had forgot to budget for that too, and that was $32. So let's go ahead and calculate. $285.95 plus 100 plus 70.14 plus $50 plus $100 plus $32. So we came in at $638.09. We were over budget. So what we really had over, when we take 1412.59 minus 1412.59 minus 638.09, 774.50. All right, so we're gonna put that here in red. Groceries, I did take out $250, so I'm just gonna write $250 here. Household, I took out $50. Toiletries, I took out $50. Gasoline, how much did we pay in gasoline? I need to get that number. Let me get that number, 1 second. All right, so for our gas, we actually came under budget at $152.37. Yay, I'm excited. We came under budget for something. Whoop whoop. All right, so let's calculate this. So we got $250 plus 50 plus 50 plus 152.37 plus 70.47 plus 35.84 plus 193. So 610.61. So we were off 610.51. So now let's see what the leftover was. 774.50 minus 610.51, 163.99. $163.99. All right, so all of these, so actual $163.99. All of these are the same. 825, 520, 10. So the sinking fund total $163.99. No, this still was 143. Excuse me. So 163 minus 143, $20.99. Oh my goodness. So leftover was $20.99. $20.99. So rollover was only $20.99. So if you gave me a big fat F, then I would say, I'm not going to give myself an F. Let's see. I am going to give myself a C. I'm going to give myself a C because I'm really proud of myself for making the progress and getting caught up. I'm not happy that I have so much red. So I'm just gonna put up here, my grade is a C. I'm like a C minus because I really have to clean this up. I can't have all this red. I really need to start coming in on budget. So I would say I got a C minus. So if you did comment, maybe you can comment again and tell me, now that you've looked at this, do you still think do you think I even deserve a C minus? Like, do you think I deserve an F? Let me know in the comments. So prayerfully, the next budget will be better and we will not have so much red. This is why it's important for you to not only create your budget, check in on your budget, but you also need to close your budget. All of the steps are very important for me, at least, because it's going to help me to make sure that I am on track for the next paycheck budget. So that is pretty much it for this particular paycheck. And we are now off to the next paycheck, which is the one that we did receive on October 14th. So if you have not checked out that video, once again, I'm going to leave that video linked for you to go check it out to see how we did budget this paycheck. And we should have some rollover of $284.05. We'll see how we do. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share this with someone who's trying to get their budget together, someone who's probably in the same situation as me and just needs a little bit of encouragement. I am here for you guys. We are in this together. And if that is it, I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.